Hello, guys. Sorry for the music in the background. I'm visiting with my grandparents, and welcome to the last day, 2020. Very excited. But today I'm going to tell you about Roblox groups because I'm a Roblox veteran. 5 years of pain and misery of getting my account hacked because of how stupid I am. But now I'm smarter, so I don't. But yeah. Or the Roblox account creator. Anyways, so I'm gonna tell you about people who are stressing out over Roblox groups. So right now, if I go to my newest Roblox group and refresh my page, I had two members because I ran a 365 Robux ad, so I'm gonna get like many impressions. But right now I had two, and now I have three. The process is gonna be slow, but you know it's there. They join, they might leave. You can tell your so the thing is, you're gonna need Robux to actually have a large group. The only way you can do that is getting a little $10, 25, $50 Robux card and make a group. Then put in bets and check it to see how many impressions you get. The more impressions, the more people who are going to see it, which means the more people you'll get if they click. So if I go to my advertisements real quick, I stole a ad from the internet. Hold on, I have to. You know what? Never mind. But that's how you create them. I took an ad from the web. So yeah, and that's how I got my members. I had 2,000. I made a group, and then I uh, spent 50 Robux on making two roles: tester and head of staff. What happened to my message? Anyways, so yeah, so this is the part where people stress out. Gaining members. As I said, you're gonna need Robux and you're gonna need to place a bet. But if you have group funds, don't give it all to yourself. This is a way to get members, to get even more funds. So you can use your funds to run a ad. If I go to my create here, I can show you my user ads, and when it loads, you'll see my ad, the chill face and still chill. I had a total of 3 clicks, 354 impressions, and a bid of 365 Robux. This is also a scam ad for a scam game, but I did not lie. If you right now, if you see, I took a whole bid of 365, and that is like a total of 22,295 impressions. Right now, I have 354. So if I subtract that, 22,900. I don't know. I think 65 minus that. That is 22,611 more impressions to go before it stops in the 24 hours. So that's the thing everyone's stressing out about because they aren't getting any members, and that's okay. You can advertise your group through Discord, Skype, Facebook, anything. You can even go to your chat and advertise it there. Like, yo, go to my profile and check my groups and join it. Join my group. And then they'll join it. Right now I have 3 members, total is 0. And yeah. So I already have 2 active members. I have my shirts, my red banded shirt, which is going to be the red camo Supreme shirt, my Vans blue shirt that I'm currently wearing right now. Okay, so here's where we go into the real stress though. Like the real stress talk. Don't stress over not gaining members. I had an old server I left because I gave it to anybody who had premium or OBC. Rest in peace. I gave them my server. It had 17 members. That's more than 3. But I just never advertised it because I wasn't motivated. But if you make a server for like your Discord or your YouTube, you'll feel motivated because, well, if you do, but you'll feel motivated because I want to gain these members. Sorry for that. You'll be motivated for it, and it could be used to grow your Discord or your YouTube. I had my YouTube open, and I went from 3 to 4 subs from the first guy right here, Juiced 1126. I think Sound Breaking is going to be a tester maybe, but like yeah. So, I'm sorry I can't explain it much. I hope it helped with people who are stressing. I mean, the only thing you can do to grow your servers, like get an ad, get some Robux, and feel motivated for it. Like you want it to grow, you have to feel motivated and work on it. Don't just leave it off in the dust. Work on it. Send group shouts to show what's happening. Affiliates. You can have allies, which will be a list of people. If you get allied with groups, you can get members. So you can grow, and the more you grow, you'll get funds because people think that your shirts are marketable and good, so they will wear them, and then they will maybe tell your group to others. So I hope this helped. Might do Roblox giveaway later on in my server. Join it, link in description, and see you guys later. Bye bye.